We are here at the high-tech campus in Eindhoven, the Netherlands. We are having a symposium to hear the opinion of different people from RTOs, from industry, from the European Commission and so on, and bringing this whole idea of open technology platforms forward.
I hope to get new contacts and then new information about these open technology platforms, and then we can consider afterwards how we can then contribute.
I'd like to see what findings the colleagues have, how we can drive the development further and have some fun.
A very warm welcome to day one of this fabulous two-day Health.E Lighthouse Symposium, implementing more for medical.
To meet all these experts in person, to exchange, to learn about what they are doing, and it's just great to be in person again on site.
We are using in our hospitals technology that's years and years and years old, and the way to actually progress, it's only tiny changes from an already existing product to get better. So I think with that platform strategy, it's actually possible to make new products and very new solutions to the problems we have today.
I really like this idea that we all have to work together more. That's also what I see. You have on one hand photonics, on the other hand electronics, the medical part, and to get that all together and collaborating and get products out of that. Yeah, we have to see how we can work forward to such a platform, to really work together on that.
There is inherently the necessity of a common language. Particularly important is really basic, and the fact that we are able to interact so easily, locally, if you like, in this world, but in general in Europe, is a particular strong asset. And we certainly want to keep the momentum which is here represented, since what we are doing necessarily needs to continue and bring about the fruits that we are seeing.
Well, it's very important in the end to give the best care, the most cost-efficient care to patients. So that's one of the reasons why open technology platforms matters.
Apart from the fact that people have been dried up for 2 years and now are the first time are able to drink water and really enjoy that fact that they can talk to each other again, I'm really proud of how it worked out, not only for the symposium but with the whole Lighthouse. We have 2 beautiful white papers published. I think widespread recognition of the work that we have done, and that's made me proud of this, not only on the Lighthouse but also on the symposium.